Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by finding the exact spot. Press the tongue tip lightly on the gum ridge behind your upper front teeth. Keep your jaw relaxed and lips neutral so the tongue can move freely. You should feel a small contact point. Hold it. Once done, exhale softly. That airflow is what turns placement into sound. Do 5 to 10 quick holds of 1 to 2 seconds to build muscle memory. These first steps are crucial because they set the foundation for a clear L. Now you add voice and airflow. Keep the tongue tip in contact and gently voice a low vowel like so you hear resonance. Make sure air escapes around both sides of the tongue. This side channeling creates the L quality. If the center lifts, the sound turns different, so maintain that firm center contact. Once you can voice while holding, practice 10 to 15 repetitions, then move into syllables, la, lie. This links placement with real speech patterns. Finish by integrating L into normal speech. Start with slow words like light and long, then gradually speed up while keeping tongue tip on the gum ridge. If your L sounds like W or Y, check 2 things. Lower the sides of the tongue so air channels properly, and press the tip a bit firmer. Record yourself to confirm improvement and practice 5 minutes daily to reinforce muscle memory. If problems persist, isolate the syllable and slow it down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.